So
Mhm.
just you have idea about this continue, check, and exit statement, or shall I like give one example and show you?
Just a very high level, quick brush up should be okay. I'm aware of it,
Okay,
but just a quick brush
okay,
up.
okay, fine, fine. Okay, so just let me log in. And I do told like to prepare one cheat sheet, so I have prepared the cheat sheet for
Oh,
this SCO now,
awesome.
and I will, yeah, and I
Awesome.
will,
This is really good. Thank you.
yeah, no problem, welcome. So I will share this one just.
Mm-hmm.
So we were writing one program last time,
Mm-hmm.
and there we prepared one structure, and that structure has to be prepared with the help of types keyword. Okay,
Yes.
so this is our structure, and after that, here in this version, whatever version we are having available right now, EHP 7. So EHP 7 SP2 onwards, the direct internal table declaration is supported, but here I think it is lower than SP2 version, so it's not supporting. So for that purpose we have to explicitly declare the internal table. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, earlier we used to do like this only, and but after EHP 7 service pack 2, we don't have to declare like this. We can directly put at the rate and then data and this Ultimara. It will take the structure of this. So type standard table of TS underscore Mara. So, and also we can declare one work area, type TS underscore Mara into table is LT underscore Mara. This table we have to put it here, and that's it. We have to get 10 records into this table to demonstrate the three sequential statement: continue, exit, and check. Fine. So now look at LT underscore Mara into work area WA underscore Mara and end loop. And just one more thing I would like to say here, that this there are several ways to declare this work area. We can declare by reference of this one,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, by reference of this structure TS underscore Mara. So
Mm-hmm.
I have given TS underscore Mara. Also, this work area can be declared in this way: work area underscore Mara, like line of this table LT underscore Mara. This is also one way. So
Okay.
this can, yeah, like line of this. So let us take as of now this one, and so 10 records will be coming here. We are going to loop at this LT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara, and here we have to demonstrate three statement: continue, and then check, and then exit. Fine. So let us check first for the continue, how continue behaves. So when this loop runs, actually we have two system variables. One is Sy-Tabix and another is Sy-Index. Sy-Tabix and Sy-Index.
Okay.
Yeah, so Sy-Tabix, what it does, suppose we are having 10 records, internal table. Suppose we are having 10 records. Let us say we have 12 records here. This is our column 1, field 1, and that is the second one is field 2. Field 2. So loop at into this work area. Loop at LT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. What it does, it takes one by one records iteratively and put into this work area. Means
Mm-hmm.
first record, yeah, this is our internal table. In fact, this is our,
Yes.
yeah, this is our
It will
internal
become
table.
the WA underscore Mara. Yes.
Yeah, W underscore Mara. As
It will
last
get
time
one
we
after
discussed.
another. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one after one by one it will take. So we have two system variable here, Sy-Tabix and Sy-Index. What it does, the Sy-Tabix, it shows which line of the table it's pointing. So every time this will be increasing, Sy-Tabix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is which point, means which record of the table it is pointing. This is
Mm-hmm.
this is Sy-Tabix, and Sy-Index is how many times the loop is running. How many times the loop is running. This Sy-Index shows the iteration of the loop, and Sy-Tabix shows the current position of the record in the table. Okay, this everything I will write and send you in that
Sure.
PPT.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Sy-Index is uh, here. Even we
The
can
sign
write.
index is the loop interval, and Tabix
Yeah,
is the active row.
yeah. Sy-Index is the uh, iteration loop iteration, and Sy-Tabix is current record indexing table loop iteration number. Okay, this is clear, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
If you have doubt, you can ask here anything. This is fine, right?
Yeah,
Sy-Index
it's fine.
means how many times loop is iterating.
Mm-hmm.
What is the pass number here? It's the first time, second time. So in this case, Sy-Index and Sy-Tabix, both the value will be same. Okay. In this particular case, we are having the same value because Sy-Tabix and Sy-Index,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
yeah, here it will be same. But in some, you will be getting many such scenarios where Sy-Tabix and Sy-Index will be having difference of one or two. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now the continuous statement, what does it do? That suppose we have
One
come,
question.
yeah.
Is it possible, in our scenario that we are discussing, is it possible that your Tabix or index could be, does either one of them start with zero? I think index can start with
Mhm.
zero, or it doesn't, it always starts with one.
Initial value will be zero, but
Okay, so
means
the
initial
first
value will
iteration
be zero.
becomes one.
Yeah, one.
Okay,
Every time, one. Yeah, side tab and side index both will be one. Okay.
okay.
So, yeah, so the continuous statement, what does it do? Suppose uh, after iteration, suppose after second iteration, we are going to check some condition, and suppose that condition gets true and we want to continue after that, then we will write continue, or else suppose if we want to get exit, then we will write exit. So how it
Yep.
works, just, yeah, just
Mhm.
let me show you. we'll put the breakpoint here and just run it. Yeah, we are having after this statement LT Mara is having 10 records. Okay, 10 records. So now what we are going to check that suppose if the second statement is second second material number is 023, then it should go ahead, otherwise it should exit from the loop. So we are having 0023. Just let me copy it from here. You can double click over here. You can copy from here. F3, F3 means back. Function key F3. By using function key F3, we can go back. Yeah.
Okay.
So effect, I will just copy paste here. And what I'm going to do, if WA underscore Mara hyphen Matner equal to this value, Matner is of type character 18, so we can put under single inverted comma, and then we can close with end if, because every if and if should be closed with end if. And then here what we can write, if the first iteration for the first time it will come here, right? Correct.
Yeah.
For the first
Yep.
time, yeah, it will come here. So for the first iteration, if this is 23, then it should continue, else it should exit from the loop. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just use the pretty printer, check the syntax, activate the code. Fine. Now let us, as per you, what should be its output as of now?
So it should just be the same as previous one. As soon as it hits 23, it continues, and right after that, it exits out of the loop.
So in our case, how what it will be means, like it will exit from the loop, or it will just continue.
It will exit from the loop.
It will exit from the loop because our
Yes.
first maintainer is blank, right?
Yes. The
Yeah.
first value is blank, so it will exit. Yes.
Yes. Our first maintainer is blank. That's why it will exit from the loop. This is blank.
From the loop.
This is 23, so it will exit. So
Yes.
uh, first record will be copied in W underscore Mara. So we can see here maintainer
First
is
line will
blank.
be there.
Yes, and WA Mara hyphen Matner, it's going to check it's not matching the condition. It will come out and it will come out from the loop. Okay,
Yep.
so this is the work of exit. It will come out from the loop. From the current loop, it will work out, come out. And
Yes.
suppose you have, yeah, and suppose if you have two loop inside loop, nested loop, then
Nested
it
loop.
will not come out from, yeah, it will come out from the immediate loop only. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
yeah, it will come out from the immediate loop,
From the
and
immediate loop.
again, yeah, and again start from the second loop iteration, from the second loop pass.
Okay.
Yeah, effect. So it will just it's working like this. And suppose if our condition would be true, so let us, this is blank. So in this case, it will start, means it will not come out from exit, it will keep on continuing. So
You didn't
effect.
exit after you hit the second line.
Yeah, yes. So even this time it is not working because the criteria, this is double dot is there, right? So we are
Oh,
supposed
okay. Yeah.
to,
So it's not a blank, it's a double dot. Okay.
yeah, it's double dot is there. So just I'm copying it here. Go back, effect. Let me put double dot. Control S, activate, effect. So now it came, right? Because
Yep.
condition is satisfied, so it came here.
Yep. It'll
And
exit on the in this on the
yeah,
second line. Yes.
yeah, now it will continue, means it will go again, means without going ahead, continue.
Mm-hmm.
After continue statement, it will just go to this statement. From beginning of the loop it will go, it will not execute the other statement. Suppose we are having some right or whatever, any statement is written there, then it will not come to this statement. Okay,
Yes.
it will directly
Mm-hmm.
go here. So
Yes.
and in second pass it will come to exit. In exit also it will directly come out from loop.
Mm.
I think this is okay, this is fine,
Yeah.
correct?
Yep. That's fine.
Yeah. So this is the continue statement, this is that was the exit statement. And the combination of both continue and exit, you can say, but there is a little difference. Let me just comment it out and you check this. WA Matner equals this one, same thing. I'm going to put it here. Now check how it behaves. What does it do? It just compare with this, and we will see how it's working.
Mm-hmm.
WA underscore Mara hyphen Matner. Pretty printer, activate it. Yeah. So again it came here and check WA Mara hyphen Matner equal to this. If the
Mm-hmm.
condition is satisfied, then it will go ahead. So
Yes.
first
If
case
not, it
condition
will.
is yes,
Yeah.
First time
Mm-hmm.
condition is correct.
Yeah. So it will write that.
Yeah. So it has written dot dot.
Mm-hmm. And then it stops right away. Doesn't proceed any further.
Yeah, it didn't proceed any further. The reason behind, uh, yeah, now it should go in the next statement, then it should come out. And this is there,
Yeah,
F5,
it goes in the next and then comes out, doesn't write it. So you only see the first outcome of dot dot and nothing else.
correct. So it's checking, and if the condition is true, then it will write the statement, and if the condition is false, then it will just come out from uh, the entire loop. And what it will do that um, means just it's a combination of continue and exit, we can say like this. Okay,
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
this is fine.